Hello everyone. Got these laundry wooden signs sent to me in exchange for this review. So let's go ahead and check them out, see how they work, and then hang them up. Okay, so first off, let's measure them. Let's see how big they truly are. So there's 12 inches by 4 inches. So just keep that in mind when you decide to get these, where you can put them and their size. This one says the laundry's looking at me dirty again. Loads of fun laundry room, wash, dry, fold, repeat. Laundry today or naked tomorrow. And then the last one, laundry, the never-ending cycle. On the very back of these, we have places where you can hang them. Now you can just use 1, 2, or all 4, just depending on where you want to put them and how you want to lay them out. Let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so here in my laundry room, I went ahead and hung them up right across from the washer and dryer. And I just kind of hung them up a little crazy, just showing you, hey, laundry can be crazy sometimes. But I thought it was just a cute little accent to the wall, and I think they turned out great. I really hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.